Ah, pizza. It's impossible not to fall in love with. Picture King Ferdinand the, a monarch with a secret passion, wandering the bustling streets of Naples in disguise. His heart was drawn not by royal affairs, but by the simple yet irresistible allure of pizza, a dish so beloved it was banned at court by the Queen herself. Fast forward to today, where pizza reigns supreme in Italy, with over 3,000 pizzerias serving up this delectable delight. That's 45 pizzas for every Italian, a testament to its universal appeal. The aroma of freshly baked pizza wafts through the air, enticing locals and tourists alike. The story of pizza is akin to a Cinderella tale. Born in the streets of Naples around 1720, this humble creation was a culinary innovation for the common folk. Merchants would shout its praises, carrying pizzas on copper trays atop their heads. King Ferdinand the Softer eventually declared his love for pizza, elevating it from street fare to a dish fit for royalty. By 1832, his grandson, Ferdinand II, had a wood-burning stove built in the Capodimonte Palace Park, sharing the joy of pizza with esteemed guests. But is pizza good for your health? Absolutely, when crafted with care. A well-balanced pizza is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, especially when drizzled with olive oil, known for promoting good cholesterol. Properly made, pizza satisfies hunger without the risk of overindulgence. We owe a debt of gratitude to King Ferdinand for his unabashed love for this national delicacy. His passion paved the way for pizza to become a beloved dish worldwide. Today, pizza is especially adored by young people, a testament to its timeless appeal. And let's not forget, the best pizzas are baked in wood-burning ovens where the smoke imparts an exquisite aroma and the ash below adds a delicious taste. The art of dough tossing, an ancient custom, transforms the dough into a perfect base. So here's to pizza, a dish that has captured hearts across centuries and continues to delight taste buds around the globe. From its humble beginnings to its royal ascent, pizza remains a symbol of culinary excellence. What recipe of pizza would you like to know about and try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to get more of our videos.